Hello students, welcome to Chemistry Hi-Fi YouTube channel. I am Sarita, your chemistry teacher. Today we will discuss about benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. This is an important topic for MSc chemistry syllabus as well as for competitive exam. The contents which we read here is firstly, we study about benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement, then we will study about its mechanism. After that, we will discuss about its order. Then finally, we will discuss some applications of benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. So let's start. Firstly, we will study about benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. Benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement is an example of rearrangement in which alpha diketones on treatment with base give salt of alpha hydroxyl acids. The salt so obtained on acidification give hydroxyl carboxylic acid. For example, here we have taken an example of benzyl which on treatment with potassium hydroxide followed by acidification gives benzylic acid. This is an example of benzylic acid rearrangement. Now we will study about its mechanism. In first step, there is an attack of hydroxide ion on electrophilic carbon and these pi electrons move towards oxygen. In second step, this negative charge comes back and these pi electrons move towards carbonyl carbon and the migration of this phenyl ring take place on carbonyl carbon. This is known as 1,2 phenyl shift. After that, the negative charge carrying oxygen abstract a proton and formation of this carboxylate ion take place. The carboxylate ion so formed abstract a proton from the given acid and formation of this benzylic acid or alpha hydroxyl carboxylic acid take place. This is the mechanism of benzylic acid rearrangement. Now we will study about kinetics of benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. Benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement follow second order kinetics. Second order kinetics means rate of this rearrangement depends on concentration of hydroxide ion as well as concentration of benzyl. Now, one point should be noted for migrating group here that the group with lower electron donation ability generally migrates. For example, in this compound, there are two substituents. First is electron rich, while second is electron deficient. So, this phenyl ring migrates in presence of this compound. Another important thing is that in this reaction or rearrangement, the migrating group always belongs to that carbonyl on which nucleophile attack. This means that the migrating group always belongs to that carbonyl carbon on which nucleophile attack. We will discuss about applications of benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement, and the first application is formation of ester of alpha hydroxyl acid. Ester of alpha hydroxy acid can be obtained if we take alkoxide ion in place of sodium or potassium hydroxide. For example, benzyl on treatment with this Sodium methoxide gives methyl benzylate, which is an example of ester of alpha hydroxyl acid, or we can say it is ester of benzylic acid. So, ester of alpha hydroxyl acid can be obtained with the help of benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. Another application of this is the preparation of alpha hydroxy acids from easily accessible starting materials. For example, we can prepare this benzylic acid from benzaldehyde via benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. For example, here firstly benzaldehyde react with potassium cyanide, and this is also a name reaction named Cannizzaro condensation, and this product formed further treated with sodium bromate, which is an oxidizing agent, and oxidize this hydroxide to benzyl. Benzyl on treatment with potassium hydroxide gives benzylic acid, and this is an example of benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. So we can prepare alpha hydroxyl acid from easily accessible starting materials. Another application of this is we can prepare cyclopentanol 1-carboxylic acid from cyclohexane 1,2-dione. For example, here we have taken cyclohexane 1,2-dione on treatment with sodium hydroxide followed by acidification gives this cyclopentanol 1-carboxylic acid. Here there is no group which can migrate, so contraction of the 6-membered ring to 5-membered ring take place. These are some applications of benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. Another application is in arrangement of furyl and 9,10-phenanthrenequinone to their respective product. Another application of benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement can be seen in following reactions. For example, here we have taken an example of furyl. Furyl is also an example of alpha diketone containing heterocyclic ring, which on treatment with sodium hydroxide followed by acidification gives this furylic acid. And in another example, 9,10-phenanthrenequinone on treatment with this sodium hydroxide followed by acidification gives this compound. Here also the contraction of this 6-membered ring to 5-membered ring take place. This is an example of benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe for more videos.